Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
The sports boys enjoying the day, getting to see that amazing complex over there near Autzen. A lot of other folks getting ready for a lot going on this week as well. Scandinavian Festival up in Junction City. Should be a hot day tomorrow for the construction crews as well. And the fire crews still battling a lot of the wildfires down in southern Oregon. Today, unfortunately, not the best of fire fighting weather, so to speak. Low humidity, hot, dry, and fairly breezy by the afternoon. So let's take a peek outside right now. The visual satellite will show you what we've got. Now, a couple of things going on. One, we've got high pressure continuing to sit over most of the Pacific. And we do have an area of low pressure out there, but it's pretty far away. Will come into play in our forecast over the next couple of days, but not for today and tomorrow. We're going to keep things pretty dry, pretty sunny, and pretty warm as well. And you see these little dull spots just south of Roseburg across and towards the Josephine border. Down around Medford, that is some of the smoke, some of the plumes from the wildfires, the Douglas Complex and over the Whiskey Complex as well. Now, the winds right now out of the northwest are sending that all southeast. By, let's say, midweek, as we start to see the low get a little closer to us, it's off of the coast of California, by the way, these will start to switch and start to head north and northwest. So that does mean folks in the Oak Ridge area out towards Dexter and probably moving into the Southern Valley, Crestwell, for example, Cottage Grove, and maybe even the Southern Willamette Valley here. We'll be dealing with some of the smoke and probably impacting our air quality. Might see some patchy smoke and as sort of a kind of a hazy look to the atmosphere out there. And again, it's not haze, it's actually smoke. So just be careful the next couple of days. We'll watch the air quality real closely as well here in the Weather Center. Hot one out there, Corvallis at 91 degrees, 93 officially at the airport in Eugene today, 94 in Roseburg, 98, 97 Rome, Ontario, and Medford. So you can see the heat is still there. And there's not much in the way of any relief coming. We don't have a lot of cloud cover with the exception of the marine clouds will move back in late night tonight. Jet stream well to the north of us, and that's going to keep things on the warm side for the rest of the evening this evening. We're still at 88 in Corvallis right now and checking in at that at Cottage Grove, 91 in Eugene. Contrast that, just head over to the coast, 50s and 60s, even with the sunshine. Much cooler Pacific air, keeping things nice and refreshing out towards the coast. We will see the marine clouds move back in and might see a couple of those try to move their way in, but for the most part, we've got clear skies. If you get a chance tonight, the ISS, International Space Station, will be flying overhead right around 10 o'clock. If we get a chance to check that out, should have clear skies for it. Otherwise, this low will start to slowly move inland over the next 48 hours. And as you might expect, with the wind starting to pull up out of the south again, that'll trigger off some more mountain thunderstorms firing up mainly Wednesday and Thursday. So tomorrow's sort of our last really warm day. And then as that low starts to get closer, it pulls in a lot of that cooler air off the ocean. So that should slowly start to cool things down. But I don't think we'll really see a big cool down until we get in towards about the weekend. So the coast will see the temperatures generally in the mid-60s. Back down to the low 60s by Thursday and Friday. And again, not much impact from the storm itself, with the exception of just kind of pushing in that marine layer each and every day. The Umpqua will definitely see smoky conditions tomorrow, hot and dry forecast in the mid-90s. Then a slight chance for thunderstorms erupting Wednesday, Thursday, and likely on Friday, before we'll keep temperatures in the 80s for the weekend. Smoky skies in the Cascades as well from about Willamette Pass, and then again towards Oak Ridge. I think by Wednesday, Thursday, we'll start to see it move there. Bend and Redmond sunny tomorrow with temperatures the upper 80s and low 90s, and then the thunderstorms start to fire probably Wednesday, Thursday, and we may even see some by Friday's forecast as well, and keep a chance there for the weekend. And sunny and hot tomorrow in the valley, low 90s again. That'll be the last day where we'll see the really hot stuff, guys. We'll have to watch as the same scenario last. Remember, we were talking about the thunderstorms when they fire in the mountains, and they kind of lose their energy. They just try to slide on down to the valley. We'll probably get the same scenario, I think, right about the same time too, Wednesday, Thursday setup.
All right.